in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that cat. Pull up in that scat. What's going on YouTube? Back on tap back here another video, man. I appreciate y'all rocking out me for another one. Look, before we jump into this video, make sure to smash that subscribe button and thumbs up this video because I'm on the road to 1K. Every interaction is helping me. Look, today's video is about to be crazy. We're doing the rear end conversion on a Chrysler 300. I didn't see any videos on YouTube of anybody just telling you like, hey, this is what you need and this is how you change out the rear bumper on the 2011 to 2014 to upgrade it to the 2015. I'm about to show y'all everything you're gonna need. I got the rear diffuser for this 15. I got some pipes. I got some tail lights. I got a drill. I got an 8mm and a 10mm. I also picked up these, right? So I don't have to rewire the tail lights. This is pretty important, y'all. If you don't want to rewire the tail lights, these make them plug and play. I'll put the link for this in the description. I got it off eBay. Pretty much what it is this a 2011 to 2014 plug-in right here, and it goes to the 15 plus lights, so you know you could really turn up your 2011 doing that. And then of course I got the bumper. I was able to get all this stuff pretty much off Facebook Marketplace. Well, I got this off eBay. I got that off Amazon. I got the lights off Facebook Market. You see one of those cracked. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is just punch a hole right next to where the old tail lights was at. I forgot this part. It is pretty important, y'all, so don't forget to pick one of these up. I got this from Tractor Supply down the street. It was like 13 bucks. So that's what else you need. All right, so I'm out here with this car now. This is what the bumper look like now. It ain't nothing wrong with it. So y'all see what the bumper looking like. So pretty much, I want to say there's a 10mm bolt up here. Yeah, right here, there's a 10mm bolt that's holding the bumper on. And then you got some clips right here. I'm gonna get a flat head and loosen those clips up. And then I got a tool to pull the clips off. So that's just getting started. So there's 4 bolts right under here for the 8mm. That's what you gonna need. Snatch them out real quick. It's too nice outside right now too. Y'all see my backyard crazy. All these trees. This apartment building nice as hell. I do love living in Washington, y'all. All right, y'all, so the bumper is off. You see my tips right here? I got exhaust, no tips. So we about to get them tips through on first. Why not? Be super easy to put them on with no bumper on there. But this is what you gotta do. Pull this out. I got one more 8mm down here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that unscrewed. And the old bumper will be off. And then to take this off, it's a button that you gotta press on the opposite side, y'all. It's on. Here, let me show you. You gotta press right here. I don't know if the camera focusing, but you gotta just press in right there and then pull it apart. All right, so this right here is gonna be for the license plate lights. So I'm about to pull those out and we're about to see if they'll fit on the new bumper. Okay, so the tail light is out. Y'all see? Boom. This is what's going on. This is the new tail light right here, right? I'm gonna show y'all firsthand. So when you go to put the new, because I don't know why nobody on YouTube is showing this, right? When you go to put that tail light in there, everything else is lining up except for that top bolt. Okay, so just giving y'all a heads up, you don't need the 1 3/4. All you need is the inch, because all you need to drill enough space for is just to go through, just that screw. I was actually thinking about knocking this out. I didn't know how far the screw set. I honestly think the screw might only be right there. But I think I'm gonna just punch out holes in it. You feel me? And I'll treat it. Just to make sure everything's sitting flush. Alright, so what y'all wanna do is drill the hole. First hit it with a hammer so you know where you're drilling, then drill a small hole. You wanna Try to brush it off, maybe hit it with some air if you could. That's the best thing. If you got like a duster or something like that, hit it with some air. And now we're gonna drill the bigger hole for the light to go through. All right, y'all, so look, it ain't even no way around it. You're gonna have to punch a big old hole right here because it's gonna have problems sitting flush. So, I mean, the hole is super clean. I'm gonna treat it so it don't rust, but the new tail light is in. That's how you do it. Then all you're gonna do is attach your adapter. And y'all can see I got the wire harness adapter all in there. The left tail light is in. It's a little bit of gap, but I still gotta put one of the fasteners in. But I mean, come on, bro. It really don't get no better than that, bro. Y'all see the new one with the old one. And once I get it fastened in, it's gonna sit a little bit tighter. I had to double check that the wire harness was working and everything looking good, man. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I had to switch the car around, so now I'm in the shade because that sun started hitting. They didn't throw any lights either, so if y'all do leave the license plate light unplugged, it's not gonna throw any codes or anything like that. I know some people be worried. But yeah, we about to work on to the next side and be finished. Also, the new tail lights in there. Yes, sir. They hit it too. That wire harness made my day way easier. I ain't gonna lie to you. Tail lights is in there, and I'm gonna get this bumper put on. I just got the rear end finished up. I got some more pieces to button up. I ain't gonna lie to you, I ran out of bolts. So if the wicker, I said the wicker, if the diffuser look a little loose, that's why. It's because I ran out of bolts. I gotta go bolt that up a little more. But it's on there, like it's not gonna fall off. So if y'all think about doing the rear end conversion on y'all 300, man, you got to. Bumper is dirty. Well, come on, bro. I'm gonna clean the car off, and it's gonna be looking crazy. Them is 4.5-inch tips. I'm gonna put the link to the tips in the description if y'all want some tips. Just grab these off Amazon. They 4.5 inches, but the 300 officially done got a new ass. So there it go. Go to the car wash. About to go wash it up. So I give y'all some shots in, man. But we putting this car all the way together. Scat pack swap. If you don't know, this is a scat pack swap. So I still got to get the engine covers. Let me show y'all though, just so y'all don't think I'm bluffing, cause I ain't showed everything. I wrapped the interior of this car too. We did put the new LEDs back there, so make sure to tap into that video. Show y'all the motor. I still got to get an engine cover, right? And I know that's probably been the first thing I should have did, right? Was get the motor covered, but it's cool. You know what to look for. Hold on. You know what to look for. You know what to look for. Feel me? So this is a 6.4 swap 300. I'm gonna have more videos coming on how I swap this. This car still has the original NAG 1 transmission. It does have a scat pack engine. The front bumper is coming next. But I ain't even gonna lie. I think I got the hardest part out the way, which was the rears. Got that on there, man. You know what y'all think? Comment down below. Also, if you got a part number for this, drop that down below, but I'm gonna have to get that trim. All right, y'all, so that just about wrap it up for the rear bumper swap on the Chrysler 300. That's how you put the 2015 bumper on the 2011. In my opinion, it looks way better, even if it is 2 different colors. I couldn't stand them rear lights. I just couldn't do it, bro. The car needed a diffuser. The car needed some tips. I could not do it, y'all. So if you learned something from this video, if you think somebody else can learn something from this video, then make sure to thumbs up. Smash that subscribe button, y'all, to stay tuned to see what I do with this 300. It is a scat pack swap, so it ain't no telling, man. The sky's the limit. I appreciate y'all supporting me this far along the way, man. This is the second 392 we brought to the channel. Make sure to go tap into all them other videos I had with the Daytona. Go see how I was living in that thing. Look, until next time, man, y'all keep on baking up, staying true. I'm out of here.
Don't need a clue. I'm cat in the hat. The Glocks thing 1 and 2. I'm talking big shit on any beat. That's number 2. Pushing up in the Hemi. I'm finna get a tune. I know some females with more hustle than dudes. I'm finna do what the fuck I want. Alright, let's get stupid. If I got 4th quarter, I promise we ain't losing. You see too much exotic pops around, I'm back abusing. Ain't nobody from my side of Cleveland doing what I'm doing.